Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with ShipStation step by step clearly. To budget with ShipStation, start by logging into your ShipStation account. Navigate to the Settings tab located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Select Account from the drop-down options available. Look for the Billing and Payments section. Here, you will see your current subscription plan and upcoming billing cycle. Review your plan details to understand your monthly or annual fees. Next, assess your shipping volume for the past few months. This data will help you identify whether your current plan aligns with your needs. Consider any seasonal fluctuations in your shipping volume. If necessary, adjust your plan based on projected volume for upcoming months. Now, head to the Reports section in ShipStation. Generate a shipping report to analyze your costs. This report will provide insight into your shipping expenses. Identify any areas where you can reduce costs, such as choosing more economical shipping methods. Next, explore available discounts from ShipStation or its carrier partners. Apply any available discounts to your expenses to improve your budget. Ensure you account for additional costs, such as packaging and handling fees. Now, set a monthly budget that incorporates all these factors. Track your actual shipping expenses against this budget throughout the month. Make adjustments as necessary based on real-time data. Regularly review your shipping reports to refine your budget. Stay informed about any changes in shipping rates that may impact your costs. By actively managing your budget with these strategies, you'll gain better control over your shipping expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.